Hey there! Do you want to earn PayPal money just like this? Over $260, and right here, another PayPal payment of $300 US. And guess what? You could just repeat these as much as you want, and this is actually very simple, very easy. Anyone can do this without any experience, and in fact, this is 100% free. You don't need any investment or money to get started, and this opportunity is available worldwide in all countries. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll walk you through different examples and walk you step by step on how to do this. At the end of the video, I'll give you a copy and paste template as a bonus, and you can start earning PayPal money starting today. So make sure you watch the full video all the way until the end and do not miss out on any important steps. Before we go to the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any brand new videos. Now, in this video, the website that I want to show you where you can earn a lot of PayPal money is called Capterra. Now, you can just go on to capterra.com. Now, here's the warning. Before you leave this video or you skip any part of this video, I have two warnings for you. Number one, the sign-up process here is a little bit complicated. You can see here, this is the entire setup process, and there are 3 steps that you have to follow. If you don't watch the full video, you will not sign up successfully and you will not make any money. Number 2, the reason why you should keep watching this video is because at the end of this video, I'll show you a copy and paste template. In fact, I'll show you everything exactly how to make PayPal money on this website, and you can copy everything that I show you, and I'll give it to you for free at the end of this video, and that's the reason why you should keep watching. But before that, let me show you exactly how it works. Now, basically on capterra.com, they're going to pay you real money by writing simple reviews with different software. So you can see right here, on this website, they have hundreds and thousands of different software. There, you can write a simple review, just a very simple review, and you can get paid for every single review that you write. And don't worry, because you don't need any technical skill, you don't need to have any experience, you don't need any money, and you don't need to be good in English. I'll show you everything step by step. In fact, I'll show you how you can copy and paste the entire review that I've written for you. You can just copy and paste and start making money after watching this video. So now, without wasting any of your time, we're gonna dive straight into writing a review, and I'll show you step by step. Now, first of all, I want you to go onto the homepage of Capterra and click on the link right here on top, Write a Review. And from there, they'll take you to this page, and we can simply search on any products or any company or software that you want to write a review on or otherwise. You can see here they recommend you some popular software that you can write a review on. So in this video, I'll give you a special bonus tip, and that's to focus on WPS Office, because it's actually very easy, very simple, and I'll show you my entire template that you can copy and paste. So right now, what I want you to do is type in the keyword WPS Office. As you can see here, WPS Office, and click on the Review Now, and boom, congratulations. That's going to take you to this page where you can simply write a review for WPS Office. And once again, you can do this on your phone or you can do this on your computer. In fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know, what type of devices are you using? Do you use a phone or do you use a computer? Anyways, when you scroll down below, you can see the entire process on how to write a simple review for WPS Office, and you could earn $10, and you can do this in less than 5 minutes. Now, when you go down to the very bottom of this page, you can see this is actually just step number 1. There are a total of 3 steps on this video, and I'll show you everything step by step. Make sure you watch until the end and stay tuned for the bonus, which I'll give you for free at the end of this video. So first off, on the initial step of step number 1, which is to fill in some personal information, just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and for the job title, very important, from now on, you're going to follow everything that I show you. Now first of all, for the job title, I want you to put in freelancer, and this is very important because if you don't have any job title, they will not accept your review and you will not be able to make any money. From there, for the organization name, you can just put in self-employed, just self-employed, very simple. And for the industry, when you click on this, you can find any industry that you want to choose from. So right now, if you're currently working, just select any industry that you're working in right now, or otherwise just put computer software, because you're basically writing a review for software, and once again, you don't need any experience. And for company size, you can just choose on myself only, because you're self-employed, and how long have you used this software is very important. If you click on these options here, you can see free trial less than 6 months or more than a year. Now, if you choose free trial, you will not get paid. So it's very important for you to choose on at least minimum 6 to 12 months so that they know that you're experienced using the software yourself. So moving on to the second part of this step. in what capacity do you use WPS Office? So you can click productivity, but if you use this software in your business, then you click business management, but you can choose both. How frequently do you use the software? You can see here, click on this, select an option, and I want you to choose one, at least minimal weekly. Finally, what's your role in using the software? Make sure you choose this I am a user, because you want to be the one choosing the software yourself, and they will approve your review and you can make money. So if you're still watching right now, you have done a great job, and that's how you complete step number 1. And moving on, just click on the next button. So moving on, we're going into step number 2. So basically on this, they want you to put a rating. How many stars to give to the software that you're using right now, and you can just select and read anything that you want. It's a very simple step, just click a few buttons. But before we continue, I want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and put on the notification bell so we can receive more money making videos in the future. Now we can see here, there are a few things that they want you to put up a rating. For example, overall quality. So in this case, I highly recommend you put a 4 or 5 star in order to get accepted much more easier. So in this case, I just put a 5 star for all these criteria. As you can see here, for example, in the customer support, 5 star. Value for money, 5 stars. Now, even though they said it's optional, I highly recommend you to read them as well in order to get accepted. So in this case, I just put a 5 star on all criteria. Again, you can see here and moving down, how does the pricing for WPS Office compare to similar products? Once again, it's optional, but I want to make sure that you answer this question as well. So in this case, I just choose a mid-tier, and how likely is it that you would recommend WPS Office to a friend or colleague? Now in this case, I'll choose on the number 9 or number 10 because it's such a very good software. I love it, and I left the recommended to other people as well. So in this case, choose on number 9, and that's all you gotta do for step 2. Now we can see here you could just do this in less than 10 seconds. Now I'm just gonna click on the next button to go on the final step, step number 3. Now this is super important because this is where a lot of people fail to make money on this website because they don't know exactly how to write a review. You can see here, you're going to put a title for your review. You're going to write about pros and cons, meaning what you like most about the stuff and what you don't like about the software. And after that, you still have to describe your overall experience in WPS Office, and there are many things to write on this step, and a lot of people get stuck. They don't know how to proceed, and that's why I want you to keep watching. So you can see here, that's the entire script that I want to show you. You can see here WPS Office review, and you earn $10 and you can just do it in less than 2 minutes, and it's quite easy. You can literally earn $2 per minute using this exact strategy and earning PayPal money again and again. Now you can see here the entire pros, and this is the entire cons about this software and your overall experience. That's all we need here. We could just copy and paste this answer and put it in right here into our review, and the reason why this is so important is that you need to make sure your initial first few reviews are accepted, and then they will send you more and more reviews to keep on doing that, and you can earn money again and again. Now, for a lot of beginners, when they fail to get approved on the first submission, they will not receive any more reviews in the future. But if you use my proven script, you can literally get approved within the day, within 24 hours, and receive your earnings. Now, just a moment, I'll show you how to copy and paste my template, but I want to show you another strategy. Now, for example, when you go on to Capterra, you can actually check out other people's review about WPS Office. You can see here on this website, you can just go down below and look for hundreds and thousands of people leaving reviews about WPS Office. As you can see here, they show you all the pros and cons right here on their website. This is actual reviews left by other people, and a lot of people are leaving reviews and making a lot of money. For example, this girl Gabriella, this is actually her review. That's the title, and that's the overall experience, and that's actually the pros and cons that she left on the website, and simply by leaving this review, she's making $10. As you can see here, as we go down below, this is another guy leaving a review, and you can see there are so many different people from different countries leaving a simple review about WPS Office, and they get paid every single day. And guess what? You can simply go onto this website and you can check tens of thousands of reviews by other people who are already making money on this website, and you can get some inspirations and ideas on exactly how they're writing their reviews, and you can copy some of their sentences. You can refer to them, you can put it in your own twist and your thoughts into the review as well, and that's the extra strategy that I wanted to share with you to get a lot of inspiration and ideas on how to write the review. Now, a lot of people don't share the secret and strategy with you, but I want to make sure that I can help you as much as possible. If you appreciate that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So basically, for the title of the review, you can write something like this. Very simple, WPS Office Review. That's all you gotta do. And for the pros category, under this, we're gonna write something about what you like about the software. Now, basically, that's the script that I wrote for you. You can just copy the script. Here, we're gonna go back here and paste everything right here onto this box, and that's the entire pros. So moving on, you can do something similar for the cons. As you can see here, just go back to the script, and that's the cons. Just copy this one, just click on copy once again, go back here and paste everything into the box. So that's all you gotta do for 2 boxes. And finally, on the last one, describe your overall experience with WPS Office. Once again, it's optional, but as you can see here, a lot of people who are making money on this website, they actually answer this question. So you can see this guy is actually answering this question. You can see this guy is actually answering this question as well. So it's very important to answer this question in order to get paid. So once again, that's my overall experience. As you can see here, I'll just highlight my entire answer and click on the copy button. Go back here and paste everything right here into this box, and that's all you gotta do for the entire review. Now, this is actually the most difficult part for a lot of people, but you can do it in less than 1 minute because number 1, you can get this copy and paste template, and number 2, you know the secret on how to refer to other people who already successfully submitted their reviews. So I try to make my video as simple as possible for all of you guys without any experience, and once again, did you switch from another product? You can just click on no, and that's all you gotta do. And finally, you can just click on this one, agree to the terms and conditions, and just click on the submit button. Simple as that. Now, as you can see here, your product review has been submitted. Now, we can just repeat the entire strategy. You can just keep your momentum going, search for other different products or software to write a simple review and earn $10 in less than 2 minutes. And once again, there are hundreds and thousands of different software that you can write a simple review on, and you could just refer to other people. Just search on Google and look for other people's reviews and use their answers as inspiration and repeat the process again and again. So if you want to get your hands on the copy and paste template, all you gotta do is just like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. If you want more money making videos, make sure to click on the next video. As you can see here on the screen, click on that, and I'll see you on the next video.